There's a couple ways that you can start building your template library for you and your clients' ads. A really fun way is to use our Uppie AI system. Go to your template library, click on My Library, click on Create, and click Facebook Template AI. From here, you have a bunch of options on creating your ad templates using our AI system. If you do not have an offer, or if you need help finding an offer, I would start here with either the B2B or the B2C. If you have an offer, but you need help creating ad copy, then I would choose custom ad without guidance. If you see an offer on Groupon that you really like, you can post the Groupon URL and our system will create an offer based off of that Groupon. And then if you have an offer that you want to rewrite and improve an existing ad copy, you can click this and rewrite your ad copy. Let's try a few of these out for fun. Let's start with B2B. I need help creating an offer. Uppie will have a conversation with you to start helping you build. It's going to ask you for your website URL. If you don't have one, you can click I don't have a website and it will ask what services you provide. We'll go ahead and click Analyze. It'll analyze your entire website to find all the services on your website. Once it's done, it'll find all the services that you provide, and you get to choose which one you want the system to create an ad for. I'll go ahead and select AI ad creation. You'll continue your conversation with Uppie, and depending on what you choose, the rest of these choices might vary a little bit. We'll go ahead and go with a direct response offer. All right, so it's going to start finding offers that we can create for my business. It's going to analyze my website and my services again, and then it's going to research competitors in the market. Once it's done researching, then it's going to build out customer profiles. This will help the AI build a really solid offer and ad copy, understanding your leads' pain points and frustrations. Once it's done doing that, it's going to create some offers based on its research. Once it's completed its research, it will show you the different offers that it has created for you to use. If you don't like any of these, you can start fresh or you can create your own offer as well. We'll go ahead and go with offer 1. By the way, this is not how much this costs for you. This is what the offer is. We'll go ahead and select. Once we've picked the offer, then it's going to create 8 unique voice and style options for our ad. You'll see those style options here at the bottom, as well as an example of what that would look like. We'll go with the data-driven consultant. Finally, it will ask you if you have your own images, you can upload them, or if you want the system to generate AI images for you as well. We'll go ahead and select Generate AI Images. And just like that, our Uppie system is going to create your ad copy from scratch. You'll find your ad in this AI-generated folder. It might take a few minutes, but typically it's pretty quick. I can see my new ad right here. From here, I can click Details. I can look at the ad content. I can look at the images that were created. And then I can also take a look at the template grade. It will give me an overall template grade, which will give me information on what's working and what's not and why, so that you're not just blindly following AI, so that you can continue to progress as a marketing expert. We hope you enjoy Uppie AI. Let us know if you have any questions.